and I am Art Van Grove. This is Crystal the second, and she is officially my second DIY tiny home on wheels that I'm going to work on. I am planning to spend about a month, get as much work as I can get done here up north in Washington. I have Wes Lewis with Transcend Existence and his awesome bus right over here. I have to show you guys that. He's going to be helping me out when he can, but he's also going to be working on this awesome bus roof raise for this really awesome couple who is letting us crash here and do our build here. They're lending me some tools and a helping hand, and they have been super kind. So this is Crystal the second, and I'm going to make her my little tiny home on wheels. I had previously posted a video on kind of where I'm going to put everything, but things will change as the build goes on. Today we're going to work on framing on the floor and hopefully get some framing up on the roof. So tomorrow I can go ahead and spray foam and hopefully I can get things moving. So make sure to check the channel and keep up with updates. Thanks! So I thought it would be appropriate to show you around.
Start marking like 24-inch centers. Mark out where the boards are going to go on here, just like on the edges, like crink, crink.
Yeah, so 20 every 24?
Yep, I'll help you do that real quick. She's getting after it. Yeah, we're totally stuck in the rain here working. Luckily, these guys are so freaking awesome. We got this 12 by 12 tent tarp, and we put it on top of the van here, so keeps the rain out of here pretty good.
Aside from my soul.
So I just finished the framing for the floor.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Hi guys, I'm here to help Amanda. My name is Wes Lewis, and I own a bus named Transcendence.